In this video, we're going to give you an overview of the contract type and office type goals. The purpose of this feature is to help you zero in on goals by a specific office and/or contract type. The goals can then be viewed on your homepage. It's important to set this up so you can monitor your sales team's performance and understand your progress each week, month, or quarter. Here's how to use it. To access the feature, click on your name in the top right corner and select Company Settings from the drop-down. Next, select the People tab. Select the $ icon for the user whose information you'd like to filter by office or contract type. Click the pencil icon for the month you want to filter. Now we can see the user's quota information under the User Quota tab. You can filter these quotas by office location by selecting the Office Quota tab and choosing the office you would like more focused information on. Enter in the percentage of the quota that is applied to that office and select the Add button. Immediately, you'll see information displayed for different categories related to a chosen office quota. You can add multiple offices as long as the percentage you're applying to those offices does not total over 100%. Remember to hit Save. You can focus in even more closely when filtering by contract type. Start by selecting the Contract Type Quota tab and then select the contract type you would like to filter by from the drop-down. Type in the quota percentage you're wanting to see and select the Add icon. Categories will populate with the information for the contract type and percentage that you've chosen. Now you can view this information on the homepage. Remember to match the month of the homepage with the same month that you've chosen to filter the quotas by. And don't forget to filter by the correct user, office, and contract type. And that's it.